Okay, so how do you put a paragraph? Now if you want to put some text, let me get text that we can have in our page. It's blank. So let me copy this text and paste it in my page. So when you put it in your page, of course in the body tags, you can see here, this is my page, the text is going across, like it has no paragraphs, it has no headings, and so on and so forth. So what do I do to put paragraphs? You put each paragraph in a p tag. That's where the paragraph begins and ends there. So when I save and refresh, you can see the paragraphs are created. Now for the headings, we have different tags. We have the header tag, it's called H. I open it and I close it. So you put a number from 1 to 6. 1 is the biggest. So if I put H6 is the smallest, much as the figure is bigger than 1. So you see H6 is the smallest. So let me take it back to H1. So you can say H1, a smaller heading is H2, H3, H4, etc, etc. So I save and refresh. So that is how I'm putting a title or a heading. You get it? So that is that. Next, we can look at creating space. We've seen vertical space. Vertical space, the code is BR. So how do we create horizontal space? For example, if I want space between these, a lot of that space, I save, I put the space, I save, I refresh. You see nothing happened. But there is a code for space. The code for space is ampersand, NBSP, and semicolon, like that. So whether you leave too much space here, it won't show in your page unless you use the code for space, which is ampersand, NBSP, semicolon. So each item here, each ampersand NBSP represents a space. So that is if you want double space, many spaces, and so on.